In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently block pop-ups in Windows 11. By the end of this walkthrough, your browsing and app experience should feel cleaner, faster, and a lot less distracting. Let's start with the built-in tools in Windows itself, because those are usually enough for most people. First, move your mouse down to the taskbar and click on the Start button. In the search box, type Settings. Then click on the Settings app when it appears. This is the main hub where you can control how Windows behaves, including notifications and pop-ups. Inside Settings, look at the left side and find the System section. Click on that, then choose Notifications. This is where Windows manages most of the pop-ups you see in the lower right corner of your screen. At the top, you'll see a main switch for notifications. If you want to be very strict, you can turn this off entirely. But keep in mind that this will also hide useful alerts, like calendar reminders or app notifications. A better approach for most users is to leave notifications on, but scroll down and turn them off for specific apps that are constantly popping up, such as certain browsers, news apps, or promotional tools you don't actually use. Next, let's deal with those pop-ups that come from your web browser. Most people use Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, and both have built-in pop-up blockers. I'll walk you through the general idea, which is very similar across modern browsers. Open your browser, then go to its settings page. Usually, you can do this by clicking the three dots in the top right corner and selecting Settings. Look for a section called Privacy, Security, or Site Settings. Inside there, you should find an option labeled Pop-ups and Redirects. Make sure this is set to block. While you're here, you can also remove any sites that are allowed to show pop-ups if you don't recognize or trust them. This ensures that only websites you intentionally approve can ever show you pop-up windows. Finally, if you're still seeing pop-ups, especially ones that look suspicious or like ads that appear even when your browser is closed, it's a good idea to run a scan with Windows Security. Open Settings again, go to Privacy and Security, then Windows Security, and run a full scan. This helps catch any adware or unwanted software that might be forcing pop-ups onto your system. Follow these steps and you'll greatly reduce, and in many cases completely stop, pop-ups in Windows 11.